Feeling lost in the whirlwind of daily life? Let's untangle those thoughts and embark on a journey of self-discovery by setting up a powerful journaling system inside Notion. First, open Notion and create a new page. Title it something inspiring like My Journal or Reflections. You can also choose an icon and cover photo that resonates with you, making it feel like a personalized space. Next, we'll create a database to house our journal entries. Click on the / type database and select database inline. Now, let's customize our database properties. The default name property will be our journal entry title. Rename this to entry title if you like. Click the + to add a new property. Choose date as the property type. This will automatically record the date of each entry. Let's add a way to categorize our entries again. Click the +. This time choosing select. Rename this property to tags or themes. Add options like gratitude, challenges, goals, or anything else relevant to you. For an extra layer of self-reflection, add another property using the + and select number. Rename it to mood and use it to rate your mood on a scale of 1 to 10 for each entry. Time to start writing. Click New to create your first entry. Give it a title, select a date, add some relevant tags, rate your mood, and then pour your thoughts onto the page. You can use different headings, bullet points, or even embed images to make each entry unique. Congratulations, you've created your Notion journal. Regularly adding entries and exploring the tags will help you spot patterns, track your progress, and cultivate a deeper understanding of yourself. Happy journaling!